PharmaFlash, a quick look at this week's most read news stories.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the PharmaFlash. The PharmaFlash is a weekly rundown of the prior week's top 5 most read news articles on American Pharmaceutical Review and Pharmaceutical Outsourcing's websites. My name is Mike Auerbach. I am the editor-in-chief of both publications, and I will be counting down the top 5 most read news articles. In at number 5, Andolin Biosciences, a biopharmaceutical CDMO, has opened its new manufacturing headquarters, which spans 180,000 square feet. The Columbus, Ohio facility is designed to support the production of gene therapies, viral vectors, and other advanced biologics. It features state-of-the-art manufacturing capabilities, including multiple clean rooms, specialized equipment, and quality control labs. The expansion will enable the company to meet the growing demand for biologics manufacturing services and contribute to the advancement of innovative therapies in the biopharmaceutical industry. At number 4, the FDA released draft guidances outlining the process for filing formal disputes regarding final orders for over-the-counter OTC monograph drugs. The guidance aims to provide clarity and instructions for manufacturers and other interested parties on how to challenge FDA decisions related to OTC monograph drug regulations. It explains the types of issues that can be disputed, the procedures for submitting a dispute, and the timelines involved in the resolution process. The draft guidelines is part of the FDA's ongoing efforts to ensure transparency and promote accountability in the regulation of OTC drugs. Number 3, Viva Business Consulting expanded its services with the introduction of new research and development offerings. The company aims to support pharmaceutical companies in optimizing their R&D processes and accelerating drug development timelines. The new services will focus on areas such as clinical operations, data management, regulatory affairs, and medical affairs. By leveraging their expertise in technology solutions, the company aims to enhance efficiency and productivity within the R&D landscape for its clients in the pharmaceutical sector. Number 2, the FDA approved Jardiance and Synjardy as additions to diet and exercise to improve blood sugar control in children 10 years and older with type 2 diabetes. These approvals provide a new class of medicines taken by mouth to treat pediatric type 2 diabetes. Metformin, the only other oral therapy available for the treatment of children with type 2 diabetes, was first approved for pediatric use in 2000. And finally, number 1, Agafa Pharma USA announced that following a priority review, the FDA approved Lodeco as the first anti-inflammatory atheroprotective cardiovascular treatment demonstrated to reduce the risk of myocardial infarction, stroke, coronary revascularization, and cardiovascular death in adult patients with established atherosclerotic disease or with multiple risk factors for cardiovascular disease. The company anticipates that Lodeco, which can reduce the risk of cardiac events in patients with established cardiovascular disease by 31% on top of standard care, will be available for prescription in the second half of 2023. That's it. Those are our top 5 most read news articles. Hope you enjoyed this edition of the PharmaFlash. Tune in next week for our next 5 most read news articles.
For the latest news, articles, and multimedia on the global pharmaceutical industry, visit American Pharmaceutical Review and Pharmaceutical Outsourcing and sign up for our e-newsletters.